Motherland Developer is coming up with its newly launched project right here in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jaital and today we'll be revealing the teaser of codename 81 Degree East. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project. So over this side they will be coming up with the main entrance of the project. And just behind me you can have a look at the marketing office. And the land parcel is over here where they will soon start the construction work. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And codename 81 Degree East is spread across 2 acres of land parcel consisting of one single signature tower of 3 basement ground plus 28 floor, offering you 3 BHK premium residencies with just 177 corner units enjoys 88% of open space. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is strategically located on Sarjapur Vartur Road in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project and basically the main entrance which will be coming up right over this side. And this is the Sarjapur Vartur Road. So basically this road will take you towards Sarjapur and the opposite side road will connect you towards Vartur. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to United World Academy in just 1 minute. Greenwood High International School is also 1 minute away. Wipro Kodeti is just 10 minutes. RGA Tech Park 14 minutes from the project. And upcoming Forum Mall which is 5 minutes away from this project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 80 plus curated lifestyle amenities like 2 clubhouses, 1 sky clubhouse, temperature control pool, infinity pool, multi-purpose court, camping zone and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and as mentioned this project offers you 3 BHK premium residencies where 3 BHK starts from 1865 square feet to 1965 square feet super built-up area with smartly designed layout, 100% Vastu compliant units with no common walls. Now we'll be discussing about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. An EOI window, that is expression of interest window, is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI, that is expression of interest. And our EOI clients will get exclusive pre-launch discount like preference in flat selection, early birds benefits, flexible payment plan and many more. So everyone, this was a project teaser of codename 81 Degree East by Motherland Developers located in Sarjapur, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.